Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news this week, we have an interesting story behind the famous Microsoft Chat AI. And one of the things that we learned is that OpenAI apparently told Microsoft that it might not be a good idea to release this immediately, as it was not tweaked yet and it needed to have some testing done, which Microsoft apparently didn't do much. So if you guys remember, when people started using it, a lot of people started getting weird answers, and some even got kind of scared because it really went in very, very weird directions where it say things and it do things that you kind of really wondered, how close is it to a reality, or to a, is it taking some of the answers off of maybe some books, stories somewhere on the web? So that's why a lot of people didn't have. So at first it was very open, and then it was like really shut down to a minimum. And what happened is that the problem arose very quickly, because a lot of people are just going here and it's like, yeah, this is cool, I got no problem with that, let's put it to the limits and see what it does. And it did weird things, and even scary things at times. So apparently Microsoft was warned that it was way too early to do so, and that they should have tested it. And of course now they took the world, and the world tested it for Microsoft pretty much, which is a lot of what is happening today. And of course, with all the things that happened, Microsoft then throttled back, slowly tweaked it, changed it, and did a few things. But it's pretty intense when you think that, such a powerful tool that apparently uses a lot of energy, by the way, and is using tons and tons of servers and computers to actually give you the answers you're asking. And what happened is they just, I don't know, at some point you're like, yeah, you just don't care. What's the problem with this? And you're just wondering what exactly do you do when you have some new product, some new service, not testing it before, just putting it in everybody's browser, and then you kind of realize that it's going far, or maybe too far. It reminds me of the first chatbot that actually they put online because of some people's input and way of dealing with it. The chatbot quickly became racist, homophobic, and all that you want. And it was like, yeah, that's not what you want. You don't want the reactions to go in really bad directions. So, you know what, Microsoft, maybe you should test more before you put something in people's computers. And I think it's also good for Windows. Way too many features are just sent to us and never even went through the insider program, and they just like, here you are, you got this new feature that often nobody cares about. But I think Microsoft needs to learn from the Chat AI. You know what? Test it a little more before you actually push it to everyone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.